friends, hope everything goes well with you. This is another new review of new sneakers, and this is the Yeezy with 38 blue out and then ready to ship. If you want to copy some, please check out on my web link and check more details there. And for more information, you also can contact with on my contact way. And today I got them here to show you, tell you this period to ship. Okay, so now let me show some details. You can check out the whole style with different colors. Have the yellow color, gray color, and the blue color. For the blue part, this is the transparent plastic one, and for the midsole is the translucent one, is olive color and quite a soft rubber. So you can check out the whole side. And turn to the front, you can look at the front here. The toe base, this part is a little darker than the midsole, so you can check out the bottom. And they call it the boost, the wide boost letters, and boost flower. And on the back side, they got the logo. And for the inner side, still got the stain with the yellow, gray, and the blue. And for the whole upper is the black matte, so also very comfortable. And for this color is the pink color, and I got the tag here. And about the back side, you can look on the top. This part got the pink shred. And about the shoelace is a lighter color. And about the inside got the blue shoe pie. Okay, so this is the blue out. So for more details, you also can check out on my web link. And if you got more orders, can get more discount. And we also can do wholesale price and drop shipping. So welcome to copper on my website. Thanks for seeing you next time.